Good evening, YouTube. How is it going? Bit of a different backdrop for you today. Relegated to the garage. It's about the only quiet place in the house at the moment. So yeah, I'm sure those of you with families, yeah, you'll get this. So another quick video for you today off the back of my the catch up that I did after being away for so long. I just wanted to put up a lot of the material. I had a lot of feedback. If you hear banging around, it's my cats probably trying to get in the garage or run around on the roof. Yeah, feedback. I didn't realise topiary was such an offensive word. Posh bastard. One of the comments. Yeah. So either half and half. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. Do a bit to camera. But yeah, I'm going to put up the west house, the big house, with all the hedges that I did the other Saturday. I did a sort of brief explanation on what it was in the past video. But yeah, basically just trimming all their hedges, taking them right back for a wedding they were having, reshaping the sculpted parts. Don't want to see topiary again because, yeah, I don't know what it is with people and accents, or apparently I come across as a bit of a posh bastard. Another comment said, or yeah, whatever it was. It was I don't get it. I don't get why people need to comment. I think we've got people from Scotland, North East, Geordies, Mackhams, Smoggies, whatever. I don't discriminate. Wales, Southwest, Southeast, Cockneys, whatever. Yeah, but because I talk slightly differently, yeah. And I used the T word. I'm fair game, I guess. But yeah, anyway, let them crack on and do what they want to do. So yeah, just to give you a little brief insight. It's not going to be a long video, like I said, just a run around. It gives you a bit of an idea. I won't have my usual boring introduction, intro and outro. I'll put a little bit up of some of the other parts of the grounds where I wasn't working, but where I will be working, where I have worked before, and probably the meadow when I'm walking home as my outro. Don't quite know yet. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it, guys. Another hot day today, quite nice now after a shower, a change, obligatory cold beer. It's another word to get offended by. It's nice to sit in a cool garage actually. So yeah, the bang, 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 bang keep coming in, more jobs, more jobs. So yeah, on we plod. I've got a fairly big job on Friday. It's an all-dayer. Yes, you're not coming in. A lady with a big garden, front, back, sides, wants the whole job lot done. I looked at it, one of those you look at to price, and I said, look, I'll give you my day rate. I'll do as much as I can in a full day for that day rate, and we'll see where we're at. It could end up, if I gave a day rate for the whole lot and it's going to be finished in a day, I think I could be really, really cutting my throat. I think it could easily eke into 2 days. So she's happy with it. She said, yeah, just get as much as you can done, make the gardens look tidy, the lawns, sorry, and the hedges and shrubs around there, and the rest we'll tackle as and when. So yeah, it's nice to have a realistic customer that isn't demanding everything done, all the rubbish taken away, all the weeds disappeared, all the, you know, it's looking like Kew Gardens when you leave. So yeah, nice to actually work with a customer than against a customer. But again, you know, I think a lot of us, we can all be choosy now. We're in that situation where we're probably vetting our customers more than they're vetting us, and I think potential problem, no thanks. So that's what I'm doing anyway. So I'm going to leave it there, guys. I will either have played the video alongside while I'm talking, me shaping the balls and the hedges and the topiary. You will actually see, it doesn't actually, I've viewed some of the footage and it doesn't actually show the spirals. I think there's a bit where I'm actually trimming the base of it and the top of it. It's like a ball at the bottom, a ball at the top, you guys will know, and then there's a spiral that forms joining the two. It's just overgrown. I think I do, here's the said hedge trimmer. I forgot the HSA 100 that I used for it. I think I just trim it the top and the bottom, but yeah, then I later go back with the hand clippers and the secateurs. I don't know if it actually has the footage of that, but you'll see the finished part of it. I was really pleased with it, because I'm not an expert on I think it probably takes years and years of training. Thankfully I could actually look into the plant and actually see the shape that had already been there, and just sort of followed it around as best I could. So yeah, some of you might think it's a great job, some of you might think it's a bit slapdash, but yeah, like I said, it was a 14-hour day. Customers are well happy, said they've never looked better, and they probably haven't while they've been there, you know, going back 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 120, 200 years, however long that house has been there. It does briefly show the house in one of the clips. It would have been an old manor house, and it would have had a team of servants, gardeners and such like back in the day. It has a gatehouse, it has a gardener's house, as well as the main house, but it's yeah, it would have had real proper mature gardens, well tended back in day, to give you another accent. Not loving some of the brownish lawns. Don't know if you guys are getting that at the moment, so I've done a couple today. I've just mulched today to sort of maybe protect them a bit and maybe give a little bit of moisture back from doing that. I have asked customers to water where they can, but you know, my customers get me to do the gardens because they don't have the time to do the gardens, and they probably don't have time to stand around watering, so I get it. But I have pushed some of the lawn cuts back, because Jesus, like, we're in middle of May and it's, you know, much more of this sunshine, there isn't going to be any lawns left. So yeah, tips on management, lawn management. I know Rob, Maxwell Garden Services, he's up on he's gone that way, lawns and things. So yeah, any tips gratefully received, other than water and some good organic feed. There's not a lot that I know what to do with them. And like I said, if you're only going there once a fortnight, I guess we can only have so much impact on how the lawn turns out if the customer isn't going to be prepared to put in a little bit of a work. Again, unless you're like Westhouse, who would have had a team of gardeners who are there every day doing everything, and everything looks fine. This should be going up on Thursday if I get time to put it all together. Friday, big job that I will video before, after, during, which I'm struggling to do. I thought I'd done more with this hedge thing before and after, but I didn't. And I'll get that hopefully up at the weekend. Anyway, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Comment if you hate my accent. Enjoy the video, or hope you've enjoyed the video, whichever way around it goes. See you soon, guys. Thanks for coming back to us.